Oh, wait, no, you're in front. Here, come back with me.
Yeah, so we woke up so late. We're just waking up now. And then we didn't even have breakfast because it's so early. And it's not early. It's going to midday. Jeez,
Yeah.
you would think the point of a holiday is to see a place. But sometimes the point of a holiday is to sleep.
Yeah, indeed.
So we're just going out. We woke up about an hour ago. Got our breakfast. Put it in the mini fridge in the room. And we didn't have it because we're still waking up. See?
Yep.
All the lymph is everywhere. And we're going out.
Yep.
And then we'll come back. And when we're hungry, we'll have breakfast, which will be our lunch.
Yep.
Come with us. Hotel Leavenworth.
Yeah, some of these are right downtown. Well, they were quite expensive on season. Grange.
Watch out for uneven ground, baby.
Yes, I've been noticing this. Thanks for the reminder.
Visconti's chocolate factory. Charlie and the chocolate factory.
I'm very interested in the Munich restaurant. They're supposed to have really good sausages and reasonable prices.
Yeah.
Yep. Then, of course, one of the things that's very popular here is a schnitzel burger or a schnitzel sandwich, which looks amazingly like a tenderloin in the Midwest. Looks almost just like our tenderloin sandwich.
Never had one, but I've had the tenderloin.
Yeah.
I'm not so much of a fan of it though. It was too big. Maybe because it.
Now, the schnitzel looked smaller. The tenderloin's kind of a local. They like to serve them big that way. It's kind of a competitive deal. Whose is bigger?
Seems like it.
We're gonna do the burger. We almost bought Sasquatch. He's like, I think it might be.
You like the gimbal? Salamat. Salam alaikum. See, they show you. You like the gimbal? He's like a teenager. You like the gadgets. So cute. The gimbal. Let me explain you, Abby. You need everything to shop.
Russian? Yeah, for you. I gotta go, my name. Sorry. Happy New Year. You're so stinky.
But honestly, baby,
Huh?
you feel it stinging.
I bet.
And you'll see both my eyes later.
Okay. Cool. Look at those things. Some teenage people really like those things.
Those
don't
are
they?
nice. Those
Those
are
statues.
No,
things?
no.
Not for you.
Not for me.
It's the kind of stuff Chris always liked. Okay. So Sally is square and oppressive with her teenagers.
Yeah. I'm like, walk quickly.
Oh, that's the one I wanted to try. Munich
We
House. We can. Oh, wait, that's just their.
Then you see.
Ah, I see.
In the
Let's keep
night
walking.
looks more beautiful though.
Yeah.
But
Oh,
I
but
don't
they
want
have.
to come at 5. If
Yeah.
I come before 5, because see already there.
Yeah, but I'll need to eat some lunch. So that
Only?
was. What?
What did you say?
I'll need to eat some lunch, and I've really been wanting sausage for
You
lunch.
can go and line up there.
Okay. We'll go walk around first to see what's what.
Hot dogs. Hot dog? You want hot dog? Yeah.
Where did you put yours? I'll go use it.
In my pocket, I think, somewhere. I don't have it at the moment, baby.
Wait, your pocket is so far from you.
Well, I don't know which one I've got it
Oh,
in.
I already found it. It's
Okay.
complicated. You get what you think of first. When you ask for something, instead of thinking it will be easy, you're like, I don't have it. I don't. That's what you get. Then I got it immediately as you were talking. I like the many toilets.
Yeah.
Guy's gonna be eating, guy's gonna be shitting.
Yep.
Oh man, these jackets are impressive. These long ones to the knees.
Can't bring the dog in.
Huh? No, some of them are just like this height, but with shorter people, they get to the knees.
Yeah. Yeah.
That one's definitely long, that black one there.
Yes. Yes, it is.
But
Way
it will
long. That's
still
a
be-
stadium. Yeah.
But with her height, it will probably be just...
Well, a stadium jacket, when you sit down, should come to your knees or below.
Yeah.
Should keep your thighs, all that covered. We gotta go by the music for a minute so we can hear it. We didn't walk
Yeah.
over here last night.
No. We crossed the road.
Yeah.
When we got there, that is where we crossed.
You're right.
We went to that shop a lot.
Yes. Yeah, we kept going in and out of it. Careful. There you go.
Yolalai. This is where, and the music is coming from there, baby.
Oh, there's a waterfront park promenade 2 blocks that way. We'll have to check it.
So German.
Yeah.
You should take a video with